Yeah, so I'm here talking to Katie Anderson about our upcoming summit. We're real excited to have her. We're talking about integrating scientific thinking into your organization, and leadership is a key part of that. Katie, can you tell us a little bit about what you're thinking as far as the summit?
Yeah, Eric, I'm so excited to be going to the Central Coast Lean Summit this year. And one of the topics that is the most exciting for me is really about how do we become better scientific thinkers and practitioners, and then how do we help develop that capability and confidence in other people as well. And this is really where we grow this, what I call a chain of learning in our organizations to really create this high functioning learning organization. I'm so excited to be in person and to have people joining us both virtually and in person in this hybrid format too.
Yeah, it'll be great. And I heard you mention that like a key word is the people, right? And we're really sort of focused on making their capability better to help their organizations achieve success.
No, absolutely. It's, if we focus on people and their ability to know how to apply their expertise to solve problems at all levels, we're going to do so much. And that requires the leadership aspect, as you said, to set that clarity of direction of where do we need to go? What are the challenges we need to overcome? What are the problems we need to solve? And then supporting their people to be able to do that. And then to improve yourself as a leader to get better at doing both as well. So that's all the topics we're going to be diving in, both in the keynote at the end of the first day in person, as well as in the in-person workshop that I'll be leading on Tuesday, diving into some concepts from my book, Learning to Lead, Leading to Learn, as well as some real tangible practices that leaders can be starting to bring into their practice to not only become better scientific thinkers themselves, but to really create that capability in others as in their organization.
All right, Katie, thank you very much. We're really looking forward to it. Take care.
Can't wait. Bye, everyone. See you there.